shopmask.com. Thanks for tuning in to the MASC Minute. So as some of you may know, we sell candles, and we recently added to that home fragrance collection with something a little different, incense. So some of you might have this idea or connotation in your head of incense being something kind of hippie. This is definitely not a hippie incense. This has got a really sort of space age, futuristic, modern feel to it. As you can see, the packaging is amazing. Each box is differently printed for the different scents, and then they come in these really cool metal containers like this, which has a rubber band around it for grip, and then you just unscrew the lid. The lid acts as the burner, but you can use whatever burner you have if you have a burner for incense. So as you can see, these are cones. So the cones there are about 20 in each container, and they're made from bamboo and charcoal, so they're 100% natural, 100% biodegradable. And then the scents that make up each of the different ones that we sell are made from essential oils. So these are handmade. Really cool gift for yourself or for someone else. Travel really nicely too. You can reuse the containers for something else if you're not using it again. There are refills too. We don't have them yet, but we will eventually. So in terms of actually, I'm just going to light one first, and then you can sort of see how it works. So the way you use the cones is you would place it on whatever burner surface you're going to use, and then basically get a match or a lighter or whatever you have, and you just want to basically light the tip of the cone for 10 to 15 seconds until it forms an ember. And then I'm going to blow it out in a little bit. But so you basically let it burn for 10 to 15 seconds, and then you blow it out, and it smokes for about 20 minutes. And then the scent, depending on the size of the room, can last anywhere from 2 to 4 hours. So I'm going to blow it out now, and then you can see it's smoking. I'm going to put it up here. And there you go. You got some cool incense, good for creating like a vibe or a mood in a room. It's very neat. So in terms of scents, there are 10 different scents, everything from woody notes to green notes. The muru, which is sort of a cypress vetiver scent, is probably my favorite. It's really green. I like it a lot. There's also some oud notes in there, a whole bunch of different things. You can read about them on the website. They're all really cool, unique scents made up of lots of different essential oils. So they're sort of like perfumes or fragrances in the form of an incense, lots of different notes to them. I think that's about it. If you want to read up more on the scents, check them out, shopmask.com. And if you're in Vancouver, you can come see them in the shop. Thanks for listening.